Welcome to this brief guide on how to use the spike command in Microsoft Word. Moving text and images around in a Word document can get messy, especially when you're working with multiple sections or paragraphs. That's where the spike command comes in. Think of it as your handy reorganization assistant. Here is my Word document, and I have 5 lines of text that are out of order. Item number 1 is down here at the bottom, item number 2 is up here at the top, and item number 3 is here in the middle. Traditionally, if I wanted this in order, I would select item number 1, use the cut command, and then head back to where I want it and paste it in. This isn't too cumbersome to do with a single image or block of text, but needing to repeat this process multiple times to get my document organized can be repetitive and mundane. I will usually then also need to make small fixes to my formatting to get everything aligned correctly. Instead of doing it this way, we can use the spike command to streamline this process substantially. Spike allows us to cut multiple elements in order and paste them all at once in that order. The shortcuts for it are a little unusual, but to add elements to the spike, select them and press Ctrl F3 on Windows or Command F3 on macOS. This will then cut the item similar to the general cut command, but spike allows us to then perform the same action on other elements one after the other. It's essentially a superpowered clipboard that is built natively into Word. The only thing to keep in mind here is that the order you add these items to the spike will be the same order they are pasted in. Once you have everything in your spike, simply place the cursor where you wish to paste and use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F3 on Windows or Command-Shift-F3 on macOS. This will empty your spike of all elements in the order you added them into it. And as the spike is now empty, using the same shortcut again will not have any effect. The spike command can also be used to easily duplicate elements of your document if you need. If I wanted to duplicate item numbers 3 and 4 again down below my existing list without removing them from their current spots, I can use the spike shortcut to do so. All I need to be sure to do is use the undo shortcut after adding it to the spike. The element is still in my spike, ready to be pasted as I want. And so I now have my 2 items duplicated in the order I wanted, while still keeping them in their original locations in my document too. The spike isn't just for rearranging text though. If I simply needed a temporary holding place for some text while editing, I can use the spike for this also. Give it a try next time you're editing. Your documents will thank you, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.